Hello everyone, welcome to the channel and welcome to the farm. So we need to cut down an old dead tree. This is a dead white oak. It's been dying for a couple years. And why not challenge ourselves while we're going to do this and see if we can hit our target. The reason that I'm going this direction versus this direction is because of this tree that I'm trying to save and all the other brush over there on the left hand side. And these trees here, which are a hickory and two small oaks, even though they seem small in size, will provide me with a little bit of protection if it comes to that. Alright, enough of all that. Let's get into it. If you made it to this point of the video, thank you for watching. If you enjoyed the video, please consider giving me a thumbs up. It helps the channel tremendously. Also helping the channel would be subscribing if you have not. Leave a comment if you'd like. Share the video if you'd like. And stick around to the end if you want. I'm going to cut this tree up into some log links. And I will see you on the next one. Have a good day.
This one is pretty much junk. It will get used for firewood. There's a little bit of core on this end, but it probably doesn't go far enough up into it to really waste my time. There's a lot of sapwood on the outside, rotten. So this is the top end of the third log, which there was a bit of a split here, limb going off. So I'd be willing to bet that a little further up, a few inches up in this, it's probably a little bit better. But right here, I got like about 7 inches. So hopefully about a foot up in there. I might as well just cut that off and see what I've got. This sapwood around the core is no good at this end. And honestly, all I was hoping to get out of some of these was maybe some 6x6s, or that one up there I might be able to get an 8x8 out of. So let's go look at the other end, which will be the bottom end. So this one here is 12 foot, just because I wanted to, just gonna cut it there, but might as well just go ahead and get a couple more feet out of it to this point down at this spot, this junction. These two are 10 footers, just over 10 foot. So at this end, it looks pretty good. There is about 8.5 inches that way and about 9.5 inches that way of core that is still good wood. So I can probably get something out of that. This is the top of the second one. So I've got 10 foot. This end looks really good. Sorry about the camera movement. I've got 10.5 to 11 by about 10. So I cut this little section off because after I was looking at the stump, there's a pretty good hole that goes down, and I can still see it a little bit here, but it's dwindling. So I think the rest of this log, that 10 footer there, should be pretty good. And I've got 12.5 to 13 by almost 13 there. So I should be able to get a pretty good chunk of wood out of those two.